Yeah, when you're ready, just. Can you try to click it? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Jane and I'm here to tell you about our company, Rex Private Limited. I would like to introduce our CEO, Melissa, VP of Manufacturing, Vivek, Sales Management, Brendan, Accounting and Finance, Lebong, and for myself, Marketing. So our mission is to enable our customers to always be one step ahead of their competitors by offering customized and innovative technology which is suited to their business needs and their budget. Okay, so as of Q3, we have 3 sales offices opened. We're targeting these 2 target segments, the workhorse and the travelers. These are the products that we have released for these 2 segments. Okay, so what have we done so far? In Q1, we have launched our company, Rex. In Q2, we launched our first 2 products, Vinci and Pegasus. So Vinci is rated as accepted by the customer union. Pegasus, however, did not meet some requirements, so we took that into consideration. So in Q3, we improved upon it, renamed it, and launched it as Achilles. So Achilles is actually right now the 2nd most sought after product in the market. Okay, so what is our strategic direction? We adopt a competitive posture. So we have an aggressive expansion plan with a global rollout being completed in the next quarter. That means we have a sales office in every single city. So this will allow us to capture demand early in the industry life cycle. So this will allow us to take the lead and keep it. So how are we going to do it? Through competitive pricing strategy. Our products are priced very competitively, and also through heavy investment in R&D. So this will allow our product to always be one step ahead of our competitors and to always be relevant to our customers' needs. Okay, we also try to have distinctive competency for our company. So this is through first being a technology leader, through R&D, as I mentioned just now. We also want to establish solid credibility with our customers. So once our customer has purchased our product from us, we want them to come back again and again. So we're going to do this through being a high service provider, as well as through providing the most reliable product on the market. So this is our corporate goals listed in order of our priority. So you notice that our utmost importance is on return on investment. So what does this mean for you as an investor? This means that when you invest with us, your interest will always be protected, because what matters most to you also matters most to us. I shall now pass on the time to Vivek. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'll like to talk about, first thing, talk about geographic expansion. We have 3 sales offices so far, as Jane mentioned, but when Q4 starts, we'll have 4 sales offices and 1 web center. Why do we do this? Because by the end of Q6, we want to target all the 3 segments and gain a large market share for each of the segments. Next, this is the main strategy for our company, a new target market. We want to target the customers between travelers and Mercedes market. We see that there's a huge potential in this, and it's untapped. So we want to offer products that cater to the needs of both these customers. So for R&D project, which is based on my previous slide, first priority, meet Mercedes customers' needs. That's our first priority, so we want to give them high performance computers, processors. Second, we want to attract traveler Mercedes customers. In order to go for their market share, we want to provide them with a portable battery so that make it long lasting. Okay, I'm talking about the financial status now. For our current financial status, we are top 2 for the last 3 quarters, which signifies our profitability. If you see, Q3 is a huge jump from Q2, and we raised to number 1. Second, talking about entry valuation. So the net present value at the end of Q3 is close to $17 million. Our discount rate is based on the fact that on initial average, which is rounded up to 20%, close to 20%, because we have a very solid financial stability. Exit valuation. Our net present value at the end of Q6 is around $67 million. If we look for quarters 7, 8, and 9, we took them and we gave a rate of 50% increase with subsequent quarters, because we project a good growth of the company. So what does it mean for you? Q4 you have 17 million, Q6 you have 67 million. So there's always potential for this company. Financial ratios. As Jane said, return of investment is our number 1 priority. I want to say that we have a projected investment for quarters 4, 5, 6 of 3.42 times for these quarters, and you can see a steep rise from this to this. Why? First thing, we have a good financial performance in our past. Second, we have opened up sales offices much earlier than others, giving us advantage. Third, we invested heavily in R&D this time, along with intelligent investments in future, since our ranking for investments in future is number 1. So, how much do you need from you? Basically, we need $4 million to invest in $4 million with 20% shares, where our ROI is, for the next 3 quarters is 3.42 times. Any Q&As?
Yeah, you said Future is like your number one for investment.
Yeah, Future
right?
Investments number 1.
There are other teams who they claim that they are number one in Future investments.
For the last quarter, we are number 1. We beat them by about 8 points. Okay. So,
Do you have a balance scorecard?
Sorry, not in this presentation, but if you later on proceed with us,
we
we'll
will
show
show
you.
you on the.
Okay, one more question.
What's your market share in the Mercedes segment currently?
Okay, so I was supposed to say this in the earlier one, right? Actually, currently we are doing the Travelers and Workhorse. We haven't gone into this yet.
You haven't sold a single Mercedes product so far.
We haven't targeted it yet, but that's why when we talk about our future expansion plans, we're going to for the first step is to go for Travelers Mercedes, because Travelers market, they are close to 15% of the total market demand of everyone. And as I said, right, everyone either targets Mercedes or Travelers, but we want to go in between because we see a potential in that.
What's your rank on the profitability?
Profitability, as last quarter, we're talking about financial performance.
Yeah.
Okay, last quarter number 1 with 28 points.
Okay.
I think Mercedes PC Works is already there, right?
Correct.
PC Works has a 47% market share in Mercedes.
Correct.
So how do you plan to compete with them? You're going to enter now.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So actually, we realized that most of our PC Works and I think Easy PC, the industry, they have a kind of a head start over us. That's why we want to go into the Travelers Mercedes segment. It's an in-between segment. So we can gain that market share there first, and then use the profits from there to invest in R&D to kind of better our, make our product better than PC Works and
But
Easy
don't
PC.
you think one time your project got rejected by the customer review, right?
Correct.
So if you are trying to again go in between, maybe both of the customers will reject your product.
For that product, actually, we were not trying to go in between because it was a test market for the first quarter. So we actually tried it for the Travelers, and we did underestimate for the Travelers. So that's why immediately for the next one, we launched this called Achilles, which is purely for Travelers. So in 1 quarter, our market share was the second highest for Achilles in 1 quarter.
So this time around, we make sure that our product meets the requirement, because we follow very closely to what they need. Like, because we have our market research indicates that they have certain priorities, so we try our best to meet all these requirements.
And on the balance scorecard, what's your position?
Right now,
We are currently number 3.
Number 3.
Yes.
Overall, right?
Okay.
Overall.
Yeah.
yes, overall.
Yeah, hands up.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for your time.